Hey there, hi there, ho there. This is not my original intro to the video. Somehow, as soon as I was done taking a second losing trade today, during the trade, my recording shut down. It disappeared. So what I did was once I was going to just go without a recording, but then I got into another trade and it was a beautiful trade, so I grabbed my recording and started going with it. And I really thought that the whole thing disappeared. I've actually found it in my files, which is awesome, so I'll be able to bring up the original 2 losing trades. Woo! Yay! And then I will add in, I'm going to splice all these videos together and hopefully delete all the parts where I say, well, my previous video didn't work. You know, one of the cool things about doing what we do is Jason was taking short trades in here while I was going, man, I'm looking for these longs. You know, in the long run, I do believe this is going to continue up towards the 29.50 area where we had our all-time high. So I think it's really working its way up there, and it gave some great areas to re-enter. I know I entered a little, or exited just a little bit fear-based, more than anything. So, all right, guys. Well, that's gonna wrap it up. If you got any questions, let me know. I guess enjoy the video. Hola, and welcome to Tuesday. It is very overcast today, and we're supposed to have some pretty heavy rain, so it may lock me out of this in a little bit. But for now, we are going to spend a little time checking out the market. So let's check this puppy out. All right, so this is what we see going on so far. It is ridiculous. Here's our daily chart. So here's exactly what happened. It pulled down here, it's bouncing up. I have this really, my thought process is that it's going to pull up here to the 29.50, probably roll off of this area and then push down. But hasn't broken through to the upside, but look at the way it's just rolling off of this band. Would be very easy to break through to the upside. So I don't like to make my decisions based off of what the daily is telling us, but we also want to pay attention to exactly what it's saying. Look at the way this baby's starting to roll up here, okay? Let's go to the next one. We've reached this high pivot, hard push up. Looks like we're trying to make a hard push down, which is a sign that this could give us a push to the downside. There's no divergences, though, between any of these pivots right now. So I'd anticipate this to keep pushing up here. Pull down a little further. Okay, so at this point, I've lost my recording. It doesn't record anymore after this. It does come down and hit my stop for minus 2.5 points. And I closed out the program, started it over again as I entered my next trade. Oh my God, y'all, I don't know what happened. But my recording from earlier just stopped and it disappeared. I had started off with 2 losing trades. Let's put this on really quick so we can see it. First losing trade. I just got into these a little bit. I've been anticipating this long forever. I just got a little bit ahead of myself. Now, I have another target way the hell off here in the area where our last high was, our most extreme high was. So, I guess we'll see how this goes. Just watching this not give a strong follow through. We're going to go ahead and take that one out. Here, it's probably gonna pop back and grab me. There we go. Okay, so let's go back and review over what happened. I'll come back and do a little intro to this video in just a few, but I'm a little frustrated with the video. I probably had about 30 minutes of video because I started, Jason and I were talking back here. He was taking the shorts while I was waiting for the longs. I think because him and I had talked about it so much, I took the first quick entry at the long. All right, that's going to wrap it up. Looks like it's trying to keep going. It may make it up to that 2950 spot, which is where I anticipate it to go. But otherwise, we're gonna call it a day. Today I have promised myself I'm getting my exercise in, so this was a pretty quick video since the first part of the video deleted. But I hope everybody has a wonderful Tuesday. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Otherwise, I'll catch y'all on the profitable side.